Have you noticed that your erections are not as firm as they used to be? If so, you are not alone. As men age, many find that their sexual performance is not as reliable as it once was. Many believe that the primary causes of this decline are low testosterone levels or poor blood flow. While these factors certainly play a role in erectile health, there is another crucial, often overlooked contributor to this issue: your pelvic floor muscles. These muscles, which are located at the base of your pelvis, are responsible for trapping blood inside the penis and maintaining the firmness needed for an erection. Just like any other muscle in the body, when the pelvic floor muscles weaken over time, it becomes harder to achieve and maintain a strong erection. This weakening is particularly common as men get older, and it is often exacerbated by a lack of exercise or focus on strengthening these muscles. The good news is that you have the power to improve the strength of your pelvic floor muscles, and today, Dr. Jennifer will guide you through 5 highly effective stretches that will help improve your pelvic floor strength and restore firmer erections. These exercises do not require any special equipment, and you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. By strengthening these hidden muscles, you will be able to enhance your sexual health, regain control over your erections, and experience greater confidence in your body. Stick with us until the end, because the final stretch is often overlooked, but it is the one that can make the biggest difference for lasting firmness. These stretches are simple to follow and backed by scientific evidence, so get ready to take control of your pelvic health. Let's dive in. There is a common misconception that Kegels exercises designed to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles are only beneficial for women. This myth has persisted for years, largely because these exercises are often associated with women's health, particularly during pregnancy or postpartum recovery. However, this is a significant misunderstanding. Men can benefit from pelvic floor exercises just as much as women, and in many cases, the results can be transformative. In fact, strengthening the pelvic floor muscles in men has proven to lead to several significant improvements in sexual health. These muscles, which form the base of the pelvis, are responsible for controlling the flow of blood into the penis during an erection. They help trap blood inside the erectile tissue, maintaining firmness. When these muscles are weak, it becomes difficult for the body to maintain a firm erection, which is why pelvic floor exercises can have such a positive impact. Scientific research supports the idea that strengthening the pelvic floor muscles helps to improve erectile function, sexual performance, and bladder control. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine revealed that men who performed pelvic floor exercises saw a 30% improvement in erectile function over a 12-week period. Furthermore, strengthening these muscles can provide greater control during sexual activity, allowing for delayed ejaculation and a more satisfying experience for both partners. What is even more remarkable is the fact that men in their 50s, 60 seconds, and even 70 seconds have reported extraordinary results by incorporating pelvic floor exercises into their daily routine. Many men in this age group who initially struggled with erectile dysfunction, lack of sexual stamina, and reduced control over their erections have experienced a remarkable improvement in their performance. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles has not only helped them achieve firmer erections but has also increased their confidence in the bedroom and restored their sexual vitality. Additionally, pelvic floor exercises can help men in managing bladder control issues. Weak pelvic floor muscles can lead to problems such as urinary incontinence and frequent urination, especially as men age. By targeting and strengthening these muscles, men can gain better control over their bladder function, reducing the frequency of bathroom visits and avoiding embarrassing leaks. It is time to dispel the myth that Kegels are only for women. Men of all ages can benefit from pelvic floor exercises. They are a simple, natural, and highly effective way to improve sexual health, regain control, and enhance overall quality of life. Whether you are looking to improve erection quality, delay ejaculation, or simply feel more confident in your sexual performance, Kegels offer a proven and powerful solution. So, if you have not already, it is time to start incorporating these exercises into your daily routine. Numerous studies have demonstrated that pelvic floor exercises can significantly enhance erectile function and overall sexual health in men. One key study, published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2013, followed men who incorporated pelvic floor exercises into their routine over a 12-week period. The findings were remarkable. Participants who consistently performed these exercises reported a 30% improvement in erectile function. This improvement was not just a temporary gain, but a lasting change, highlighting the power of regular pelvic floor training in addressing issues like erectile dysfunction. Another important study published in European Urology found that pelvic floor exercises not only improved erectile function but also helped with delayed ejaculation and urinary incontinence. These exercises work by targeting the pelvic floor muscles, which are responsible for controlling the flow of blood into the penis during an erection. By strengthening these muscles, men can improve blood flow, which directly impacts the firmness and longevity of an erection. This helps prevent premature ejaculation and promotes better control during intimacy. In addition to improving sexual performance, pelvic floor exercises have also been shown to support bladder control. As men age, weakened pelvic floor muscles can lead to issues such as urinary incontinence or frequent, urgent trips to the bathroom. Strengthening these muscles through targeted exercises helps restore control over bladder function, reducing the need for frequent bathroom visits and helping men maintain confidence in their daily activities. These studies support the idea that pelvic floor exercises can address multiple aspects of men's sexual and urinary health, providing a natural, non-invasive solution to issues such as erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and bladder control problems. Strengthening the pelvic floor is an accessible and effective way to improve sexual health and overall quality of life. By committing to regular pelvic floor exercises, men can experience not only firmer erections but also better control, improved sexual satisfaction, and enhanced bladder health. The pelvic floor muscles are essential for sexual health and function. These muscles, which form the base of your pelvis, play a crucial role in managing blood flow to the penis during an erection. When these muscles are strong, they help trap blood inside the erectile tissues of the penis, ensuring that it remains firm and sustained. However, when the pelvic floor muscles weaken, whether due to aging, inactivity, or other factors, it becomes harder for the body to hold blood within the penis, leading to softer or less reliable erections. Pelvic floor exercises, particularly Kegels, are designed to strengthen these muscles. When you perform these exercises, you activate the pelvic floor muscles, training them to contract and relax more effectively. This improved muscle function allows for better blood retention during an erection. Over time, these exercises enhance the strength and endurance of the pelvic floor, which directly leads to firmer, more consistent erections. What makes these exercises even more effective is their ability to engage the lower abdominal muscles as well. This creates what is known as co-contraction, where the pelvic floor and abdominal muscles work together. This synergy further supports the rigidity of an erection by increasing intra-abdominal pressure, which helps the pelvic floor muscles trap blood more efficiently in the penis. As a result, your erection becomes not only firmer, but also more controlled, giving you the confidence to perform more reliably. The connection between pelvic floor strength and sexual health is undeniable. Weak pelvic muscles can contribute to erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and poor control during intimacy. However, by regularly strengthening these muscles through pelvic floor exercises, you can regain control over your erections. This leads to improved sexual performance, increased stamina, and enhanced confidence in your sexual health. The exercises I will share with you today are designed to specifically target these crucial muscles. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you will build stronger pelvic floor muscles, leading to firmer, more reliable erections and a higher level of sexual satisfaction. This is a natural, effective way to improve your sexual health without the need for medications or invasive treatments. Real-life application. Now that you understand the importance of pelvic floor exercises, let's break down the 5 best stretches that will help you strengthen these muscles and improve your sexual health. These exercises are simple to do and can be performed in the comfort of your home. Let's dive into the specifics of each one. Pelvic tilt. This is one of the most effective exercises for engaging your pelvic floor muscles and improving muscle coordination. How to perform it? Lie on your back with your knees bent at a 45 angle and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abdominal muscles and press your lower spine into the floor. Tilt your pelvis slightly upward, just enough to feel the muscles engaging without causing discomfort. Hold the position for 3-5 seconds, then release. Repetitions. Perform 10-15 repetitions, focusing on smooth, controlled movements. This exercise helps activate the pelvic muscles and builds coordination with your lower abdominal muscles, which is crucial for maintaining firm erections. Prone stretch. The prone stretch works both your pelvic floor muscles and your abdominal muscles. How to perform it? Lie face down on the floor with your arms placed directly under your shoulders. Engage your abdominal muscles by gently pulling your belly button in toward your spine. Simultaneously contract your pelvic floor muscles as if you were trying to stop urination mid-flow. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds, keeping your body relaxed and your breathing steady. Repetitions. Repeat this stretch 3 to 4 times. The prone stretch will lengthen your hip flexors and strengthen the deeper muscles that stabilize your pelvic floor, enhancing your ability to hold blood in the penis during an erection. Kneeling AB draw in this exercise is excellent for engaging the pelvic floor while improving core stability. How to perform it? Start in a tabletop position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Exhale slowly and pull your belly button in toward your spine, activating your pelvic floor muscles at the same time. Imagine gently lifting your testicles or drawing the muscles inside your pelvis upward. Hold for 3-5 seconds, then slowly release. Repetitions. Perform 10-15 repetitions. This move strengthens the deep abdominal muscles and the pelvic floor, enhancing overall pelvic control and endurance during intimacy. Bridge abduction. The bridge abduction targets multiple muscle groups at once, improving pelvic stability and circulation. How to perform it? Lie on your back with your knees bent at a 90 angle and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Gently push your knees outward, simulating a resistance band stretch. Make sure to keep your core engaged to prevent arching your back. Hold the position for 2-3 seconds, then return to the starting point with control. Repetitions. Perform 8-10 repetitions. This exercise strengthens the pelvic floor muscles, glutes, and hip abductors, which support blood flow to the pelvic region and enhance erection quality. Rocking frog stretch. The rocking frog stretch is a dynamic exercise that opens up the hips while releasing tension in the pelvic floor. How to perform it? Begin on all fours on a comfortable surface, such as a yoga mat. Widen your knees as far as feels comfortable while keeping your feet turned outward, forming a V shape with your legs. Slowly lower down onto your forearms, keeping your spine neutral and your head relaxed. Rock your hips forward and back in a slow, controlled motion, similar to a gentle wave moving through your pelvis. Focus on deep breathing and engage your pelvic floor throughout the stretch. Repetitions. Hold for 30-40 seconds and repeat 3 times. The rocking motion deeply stretches the inner thighs and groin while engaging the pelvic floor muscles, improving flexibility, blood flow, and overall pelvic health. These 5 exercises, when practiced regularly, will strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and provide a solid foundation for firmer erections, better sexual control, and improved bladder health. Start incorporating them into your routine today, and you will soon notice positive changes in your sexual health and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Perform these stretches daily for the best results. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Men Health 360. Your support helps us continue bringing you valuable insights on maintaining and improving your health. Share your experiences with pelvic floor exercises in the comments below and let us know how they have worked for you. We would love to hear from you and foster a community of men committed to improving their well-being. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content.